Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dani Disaputra, but usually my friend call me Dani. I'm from Universitas PGRI Madiun. It's good to be here today. The title of my presentation is Dialect as Language Verification in General Linguistic Studies. Have you ever wondered why Indonesia has so many regional languages? So, the answer is because Indonesia consists of thousands of islands with hundreds of tribes that slash party and development culturally and linguistically. Would you like to hear a story? A friend of mine and said, a local language is like the soul of the place it comes from. If the language is lost, then it is if the spirit is also lost. That simple sentence made me think that the diversity of local language is not just about different words, but also about the identity and long history of the people in various regions. Since Indonesia consists of thousands of islands and tribes, it's only natural that place has a different way of speaking. That's why we have hundreds of regional languages that are all unique. According to the last research found in a research journal entitled Language Formation in Indonesia, Redakala 2001, who explained that regional language diversity occurs because people in Indonesia grew up in rurality, remote, consistent, and are spotted by island, mountain, or forest. I had different my take into 4 points. Number 1 is the definition of a dialect. Number 2 is the existence of the dialect in social life. Number 3 is the role of dialect in media and entertainment. Thus, number 4 is the difference of dialect and standard language in a place. Everyone speaks in a different way. This depends on the area they live in. This way of speaking is called a dialect. In one language, such as Indonesian language, there are many ways people pronounce word or contact sentence. Dialects are not just about voice or accent, they also show who we are and where we come from. Therefore, dialects are important to understand and respect. Number 1. Definition of dialect. Dialects are different ways of speaking one language, depending on where a particular community or group of people live. Dialect can differ in the way words are pronounced, the choice of word assert, the order of adjustment of words in a sentence. Dialects are not mistakes. Dialects are part of the research of language. Each region has its own characteristic in speaking. Number 2. Dialect in social life. Dialects show a person's identity. With dialect, we can tell where someone comes from. When we meet people who ask the same dialect, we will feel more familiar. Dialects are also as in folk song, folklore, and art performance. Therefore, dialects are not just a way of speaking, but also a part of culture and social life. Example, two people from West Sumatra can instantly feel close when they speak in the Minang dialect. The question is, why do people often feel more comfortable when speaking in their own dialect? The answer is because dialect make the atmosphere more familiar and show that we come from the same background. Number 3. Dialect in media and entertainment. Today, dialects are widely used in commercial, movies, YouTube video, and social media. Dialect make the message feel more engaging and closer to the audience. Many content creators use dialect to make it look more natural and bearable. The use of dialect in media makes people feel proud of their local language. Example, the movie Yus Band uses a typical Malang dialect. Many viewers found the movie funny and interesting because the language is close to everyday life. The question is, what are the benefits of using dialect in media or entertainment? The answer is, dialect makes the content of the message feel more real, funnier, and closer to the person watching. Number 4. Difference in the use of dialect and standard language in a place. Dialect and standard Indonesia have different places. Standard Indonesia is used for official purposes such as in school, office, and newspaper. Dialect on the other hand are more often used in everyday conversation. People who can ask both we will find it easier to communicate in various situations. This is called situation activity. Example, at home, we can ask our local language. However, when taking exam or speaking in public, we must ask standard Indonesia. The question is, does asking dialect make us look rude? The answer is no, as long as it is asked in the right place. A form of language should be adapted to the situation. Okay, that's bring me to the end of my presentation. In brief, dialects are regional ways of speaking that reflect identity and culture. Dialect enrich language, stagnant relationship, and make communication more intimate. As standard dialect and language according to the place and situation. I'd be glad to answer any question. In conclusion, a dialect is a way of speaking that reflects a person's origin and culture. Dialect make communication feel warmer, so regional and group identity and this Indonesia culture and language. We don't need to be unsure of asking dialect. Dialects are part of our identity as long as we know when to ask dialect and when to ask standard Indonesia. Then everything can go well. Thank you for your attention.